Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm HD Signatures. Today's makeup look is going to be a quick, easy, like straight to the point, everyday wearable soft glam makeup look for office, for church, for dates, or if you're just someone that likes to wear makeup on a daily basis and you want to look really nice, you want your makeup to appear really nice and you don't want to spend so much time achieving it, this tutorial is for you. So if this is something you are interested in, please keep on watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Okay guys, so I'm close to the screen. The first step into achieving your everyday soft makeup look is a moisturizer. Very important. Using a moisturizer slow down your oil secretion, so it's very important that you apply a moisturizer before your makeup. I'm going to go ahead and use a primer, and I'm using Royal Makeup Ultra Mist Facial Moisturizer as my primer because it's non-greasy and it's non-condomgenic, and this gives like a really nice mattifying effect. So I'm going to apply this on top of what I just applied. To seal in what we just applied now, I'm going to be using a setting spray from Royal Makeup, and I'm placing that on my beauty blender to blend in everything we just applied now. So once it sets into your skin, then you can go ahead and apply your foundation. So for your foundation, you want to use a light to medium coverage, just so you don't appear like you're wearing so much or your makeup is looking too heavy. And if after applying your foundation, you can still see some spots peeking through or some blemishes, and maybe you're someone that you like your face, your skin to be totally covered up, you don't like to see any form of blemishes showing through, you want to go ahead and use a thicker concealer over the areas you can still see some blemishes peeking through. Don't go ahead and reapply another coat of foundation all over your face. That is going to come out too heavy. Go ahead and use a concealer, or you use a thicker foundation, just dot conceal the areas you feel or you want more coverage. I'm going to be using Ruby Kisses No Blemish foundation, and I'm going to be using MAC foundation in NC42. I'm going to mix both shades together. For the application, you use a damp beauty blender. It's going to give you like very nice skin application. I know this foundation is darker than my skin color. We are going to correct it with highlighting. So this part of my face is still showing some dark spots. So for someone like me, I really don't mind. I will just leave it that way. But if you are someone that really wants to have like a total cover up, still looking like your skin, so you want to go ahead and use a thicker foundation or a concealer. So I'm going to be using Royal foundation with the beauty blender. I'm just going to go to the areas that I can see blemishes. Okay, so I'm going to blend everything together. So I can see how my face is looking really dewy, and this is coming from the foundation that I use. So I'm going to check if there's any blemishes. Okay guys, so we don't have any blemishes. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to apply a concealer. If you are going to be applying a concealer, you want to pick a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation shade. That way it gives you like a really nice dimension on your face. So you want to put the concealer at the areas you want to bring forward. This time around, we are not going to be doing going to be applying this concealer like we're doing like a proper glam look. So if you're doing a proper glam look, you know we're going to put in our forehead, bridge of our nose, chin area, and all that good stuff. But for this everyday soft makeup look, we're going to be doing it under our eyes. We're going to be putting at the side of our nose if need be. Today is from LA Girl. I'm using a pure beige and I'm using a crouton. So I'm going to mix both concealers together. To set our under eyes, I'm going to be using a setting powder. Guys, use a setting powder to set your under eyes. Don't use a normal compact powder. You're not going to set and leave it. Once you place the setting powder under your eyes, you need to keep blending till the powder disappears into your skin. So this is it, guys. If you have dry skin, you might want to skip setting the rest of your face. Just set your under eyes. But if you have oily skin, you want to go ahead and use a powder. This is how it is, not so much. So I'm going to press that into my skin. For our brows, we're going to brush your brows up. So I'm going to be using a pencil today, and this is from Flawless Ivy Sculpting Eyebrow Pencil. So what I'm going to be doing is to first of all create an airline stroke in the front part of my brows. How you doing, baby? 21st century producer. I saw your heart and you're dark bala. You know this love keeps going more hard. For your eyeshadow, I don't think it's necessary to wear eyeshadow on a daily basis. But if you are someone that likes to wear eyeshadow, I would advise you work with neutral tones, warm tones colors, or maybe get yourself a palette that contains like really nice warm tone colors. It will really flatter your skin and it won't look like you're wearing so much. Or basically go ahead with your powder shade and just run that on your lid. You need to prime your eyelid if you want your eyeshadow to really last long and if you don't want it to keep moving around. I'm going to set this down with a powder. If you don't know how to apply an eyeshadow, setting it down with a powder will give you a shadow on your lid, and for me I think that is enough for an everyday makeup. Your powder is okay. So I'm going to, after setting it down with the powder, I'm going to go ahead and use a deeper shade of powder that is deeper than my skin tone. I'm going to place that in my crease just to give the eye look a dimension. So I'm going to go ahead and fix these eyelashes, but you can skip on this one, guys. You don't have to fix eyelashes. So for your lips, you can just go ahead and run your beauty blender over your lips just to mute out any discoloration, and that will give it a perfect nude lip. So I'm going to go ahead and use a lip gloss, but if you like to wear lip stain or maybe you just want a tint of color on your lips, I'm going to be going ahead to use this pinkish Miede. So guys, I just went ahead to take off the lashes. I just feel like it's not giving me the vibe that I want, so I think I like it this way without the lashes. Apply a gel eyeliner on my upper lashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my beauty blender to blend it very well. So guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick everyday wearable makeup look for work, for school, for date, for going out on a daily basis. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you learned from this tutorial down in the comment section, and let me know if you are going to be wearing this on a daily basis. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
How you doing, baby? 21st century producer.